Well, good afternoon, everybody. Sit, Leila. Leila, sit. Yeah. Here we are. We're at the lake. Yeah, buddy. George, you want to sit up here? There. Sit, Leila. Good girl. Anyway, George is at the lake. His boat is all cleaned up, but we brought the canoe because we brought Leila. Yes, George is gonna jump off. He wants to go swimming, but if I let him off, he's gonna swim back to the beach. He just met everybody at the beach. George, you're a goofy duck. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. He met a bunch of people sitting on inner tubes and he wanted to hang out with them. I'm like, George, yeah, buddy. We'll come down here and let you swim. Yeah, baby. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. Daddy's been up all night. Yep. George, let me move you out there. Leila, get up in the front. Huh? Come on, baby. There you go. You guys are goofy, both of you. Giving me a hard time. And now I've got a breeze picking up. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to fight that to get back. Yeah. Oh, but it's a beautiful day. We got all that stuff burned up. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. What do you say, George? Are you having fun yet? He said, I already went swimming. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, thank you for all the comments. Yes. I made that video early this morning, and I went to the restaurant at 7 a.m. to upload it. Yep. I was sitting there when the owner showed up. Yep. Yeah, George. What do you say, buddy? Huh? What do you say, buddy? Yeah. He said, I want to go swimming. Well, you gotta wait. Yeah, buddy. You gotta wait a little bit. Anyway, God bless all of our fans. We love you too. George makes people happy. That's why I share them. Yep. Yep. He's saying, take me back to the beach, Dad. Yep. Not many geese in the world have their own boat and their own tour guide. And there he goes, over the side. George, where are you going? He said, I'm gonna beat you there, Dad. Yep. George. He said, I know where I'm going, Dad. I'm headed for the beach. George. Now I gotta fight the wind. Yeah, George. George. Come on, buddy. He said, I'm headed for that beautiful place over there with the nice pontoon boat. George. George. Come on, buddy. Well, it looks like this is going to be a shorter video than I anticipated. George wants to head for the beach. Come on, you goofy duck. Come on. Yeah, Daddy's got him. There. You're a goofy duck, George. Did you have fun? Huh? Did you have fun? He says, sure. Now I got wind trying to blow me and the kids a long ways from where we need to be. Yep. Yeah. George, don't be jumping in, ya goofy duck. Come on, back up. He said, well, I want to go swimming again. Huh? Oh, yeah. George, you stay in the boat. You stay in the boat. George. George. What do you say, buddy? Huh? Leila's being good. Yeah, Leila's being a good girl. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna shut this down because I got wind blowing me 20 miles an hour across the other end of the lake. Love you all. Remember to stay safe. Wash your flippers off and have a wonderful day.